Okay, so what we're going to try and do today is replace some seals in the Meyer E47. It's a really popular plow lift and should be pretty basic, pretty straightforward. We got these parts from smithbrothersplowparts.com. They're a mom and pop shop from New Jersey, I think. And we had some leak issues. And first thing, of course, we tried was the A coil and valve. That was the easiest. We didn't have to really get too dirty. Well, it didn't really solve the problem. So we're going to replace the lift ram seals, and we went ahead and got a new lift ram too. The one that's on there is not in the best of shape, and if we're going to have it apart and replace the seals, we might as well replace the ram too. They sent us a nice diagram labeling where all the O-rings and seals go. So we'll get started. Alright, once you've got the fluid for the most part drained out, we're going to go ahead and take the top off. Looks like the whole stud's coming out instead of just the nut. Back the whole stud out, and I don't really want the whole stud to come out, so I grabbed it with some vice grips to hold the stud in place to remove these nylock nuts. And the kit from Smith Brothers, it comes with new nylock nuts, so that's definitely an added bonus. Remove this little plastic washer. I'm gonna try and pop this cap off of here. And there's the cap. Yeah, I wanted to try and keep these studs in here. Move this. Yeah, it's pretty grimy. Definitely deteriorated seals. Okay, got it all exposed. There's a couple things you want to take special note of. That being, That being the fact that there is some pitting on this ram here. It's not terrible, but like I said, we're replacing the seals, so it needs to be replaced. This particular washer, you want to take note of these grooves. They are going to go face down during the reassembly process. Another thing you want to take note of is the position of this plastic piece right here. You want to be sure and put it back in its original location. You don't want it over here, you don't want it over here. You want it on this side here next to the angle valves. Okay, so we've got the tank disassembled. Go over a couple things really quickly. We're going to be replacing this scraper seal, tank seal, lock nuts, with these little plastic washers, and then off the ram, I'm going to be replacing the ram seal. Tank seal on the base here, and that's it. We're not getting involved in taking off the angle block or the actual motor side. We don't have any major leak issues in here. What we have is the ram losing pressure, dropping. There's no reason to get involved, and with our luck, something else would break. So we're just gonna stick to this. So now you want to get everything cleaned up. Get rid of all the sludge from the inside of the tank. As you can see, of sludge in there. So you're going to try and wipe as much of that out as you can, remove the old seals, and then reassemble.